Hey, welcome back to our new video. For more information, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. So today the Shopify store we are discussing is the Shopify store that provides you portable headphones and technology according to the modern technology. The technology that just innovates for being a smarter, for being a smart worker in a short time. Smart models, portable headphones, and technology. They just offer you to try your luck by just entering your email, registering your email, and just spinning a wheel. You just have to got many gifts and deals in this. So, Smart Modern was established in Los Angeles, CA, United States, with major location hubs throughout the world in 2015 to bring more equipped accessories for anyone who has an active lifestyle. As they are spending more and more time on health, fitness, or even traveling, they want to stay connected with their favorite tunes. But not many headsets out there are fit to do the job, especially if we spend some time outside the house. They are either expensive, weird, wired, or clunky. Our headsets focus on delivering economical, wireless, and sport-fitted features so customers can enjoy music to the best they can while they live that healthy and adventurous life. When you get a pair of headset from them, you can expect them to be comfortable, tangle-free, sweat-proof, to last through any outdoor and intense activities. Check them out back at the product page and they look forward to supporting the customers. If we talk about their orders and shipping, if you enter the wrong shipping address, then when I place my order, what should you have to do? You just have to email them on their email with your order number ASAP, and they can edit your shipping address if the item has not shipped yet. And once an order is placed, however, they cannot edit shipping information. How soon their shipping will be delivered. All orders will be quickly shipped within 3 business days, Monday to Friday. Tracking information will be mailed out along with any new updates to the contact email provided with the order after it has been shipped. Did they ship internationally? They are based in the United States with inventory in major global hubs so they can ship internationally worldwide at no extra cost for most countries. For more information, kindly share our video. Stay tuned with us. See you in the next video.